So basically, yeah, we've been chucked this thing where we got given a bunch of like sharp things and gloves, and we were told have at it with a path or a fire exit or something. So you know, classic Welsh Baabarians thing. You know?
And so, what are we actually doing?
We're clearing a path.
Like I said.
Currently I'm filling trifles with custard. The IS team are like giving us food hygiene sessions when we go to the jamboree.
Onions because we're doing food prep and hygiene.
Try not to cry. I've got some steamy onions, some steamy boys. Because, look, follow me, right? Okay, come on. Right, we're going on a journey. Joe!
Hang on, my wrist is really hurt.
Okay, so essentially, yeah, once Zoe finishes up, these are going in there because we're making food for, who we made for parents and stuff. I feel sorry for them.
We're cooking for 100 people.
Why?
Because we need to practice.
We hope that you like that video. If you want to follow our journey, give us a like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.